Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Harshita Gupta and today I am going to explain the topic types of operating systems. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with our topic. So, by the name of our topic, it is very clear that we are going to explain what are the type of operating systems and where we implement them in our daily life and use them in our daily life. Whenever we use a laptop, a desktop, or even a smartphone, there is an operating system working in the background. Most of us use it every day, but a very few people actually know what it does or where there are different type of operating systems or not. So, first we will understand what an operating system is, and then we will learn different type of operating systems and why they are needed. So let's begin with our topic. So the first question that came into my mind that what an operating system is. An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the computer, hardware and the user. So it acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware. Now imagine, suppose you buy a brand new laptop. It has a processor, a RAM, a keyboard, mouse and storage. But if there is no operating system installed, can you open the Chrome? Can you watch YouTube? Can you create a Word document? The answer is simply no, we can't. The operating system is what makes all these things possible. It manages the hardware, the software, and make everything work together smoothly in the computer. It performs several important functions. First function is process management, where it decides where the program should use the CPU and when. The second main function is memory management, where it allocates memory to different applications. The third function is file management, where it organizes file and folder of your computer. The next is device management, which control device like keyboard, printer, mouse, and monitor of your system. And the last is security, which provides a protection to your data and manages user authentication and permission. There are various types of operating systems and they are Windows, iOS, Linux, Mac OS and Android. In the further slides, we are going to discuss how there are different types of operating systems used in the different areas in our daily life. So, the question that came in our mind is, why do we need different type of operating systems? Different users have different type of needs. Some systems require immediate response while some require a huge amount of data. Multiple users may need to sync the shared system. So, to solve all these problems, we use operating systems in our daily life. Examples of operating systems are in our daily life, banking systems, hospital management, air traffic control, cloud computing, university computer labs, etc. Large companies use networks to share files, printers, and other things among hundreds of employees. Scientists use powerful computers with multiple processors to perform complex calculations. Similarly, universities often have computer laboratories where many students use the same server at the same time. In this way, we can use operating systems in various fields. So now, let's move to our next topic, which are various types of operating systems. The first type we are going to talk about is batch operating system. A batch operating system is a type of operating system that collects similar jobs into groups called batches and processes them automatically one after another. Let us understand with a simple example. Imagine your college have to generate the result of 5,000 students. Instead of calculating each student result one by one, the computer collects all the records and processes them together. This saves both time and effort. Another common example is salary processing in a company. At the end of every month, thousands of employee salaries are calculated together instead of individually. This is exactly how a batch operating system works. Some important characteristics of batch operating system are jobs are grouped into branches and batches before execution, as you can see in the figure that users are providing various jobs in an operator and jobs are dividing into the batches. No direct interaction between the user and the system are needed in this. Jobs are executed sequentially, suitable for repetitive and large-scale processing. Now, let's talk about the advantage, limitation, and application of the batch operating system. Batch operating system reduces the manual intervention and it is suitable for repetitive tasks, but it is a slow response time and error detected after the batch is completed, so it is not suitable for the interactive applications. We use batch operating systems in payroll processing, bank statement generation, electricity bill generation, exam result processing, etc. Our next topic is time sharing operating system. A time sharing operating system allows multiple users to access the same computer system at the same time. As the name suggests, this operating system shares the CPU's time among multiple users. It divides the processor time into a very small interval called time slice. Let us understand with a very simple example. Imagine one pizza is shared among 8 friends. Instead of giving the whole pizza to one first person, everyone gets one slice in turn. Because everyone receives their slice quickly, no one feels left out. Similarly, in a time-sharing operating system, every user gets a small share of CPU time repeatedly. This type of operating system is widely used in universities, offices, and shared computer systems where many users need access simultaneously. The biggest advantage is that it provides a fast response to every user while making efficient use of computer resources. However, it has a limitation that many users connect at the same time. The system may become slower. Managing security for multiple users can also become more challenging. Overall, time-sharing operating systems improve productivity by allowing many users to work efficiently on the same computer system. Now, now we have understood the batch and the time-sharing operating system. Let's move toward the real-time operating system. This is one of the most important operating systems because it is used in the situation when even a small delay is unacceptable. A real-time operating system processes data and responds to events within a fixed time limit. It maintains and main goal is to provide quick, accurate, and predictable response. Let us understand with a real-life example. Imagine the patient is in ICU and a heart monitoring machine is continuously checking their heartbeat. If the patient heartbeat suddenly changes, the machine must respond immediately and alert the doctor. Now imagine if the alert came after 30 seconds or even 1 minute late, the delay can be dangerous. This is why medical equipment uses real-time operating system. Another example is air traffic control. Hundreds of airplanes are flying at the same time. The computer system must continuously monitor their position and guide them safely. Even a small delay in processing information could create a serious problem. That's why real-time operating systems are mainly used in air traffic control system and medical equipment. Also, the limitation is that they are very expensive and difficult to maintain because of their complex design. Their advantage is they are fast and predictable response time. They are highly reliable for critical applications. They reduces the risk of the system failure. Now let's move to our next topic, which is distributed operating system. This operating system connects multiple independent computers and makes them work together like a single computer. Although there are many computers involved, the user feels as if they are using only one system. As you can see in the diagram, communication network, workstation, terminal, file server, TV server, etc. They are all connected in a same network. Now let us understand with a simple example. Imagine a group project in college. Instead of one student doing all the work, five students divide the work among themselves. One prepares the presentation, another writes a report, another collects information, another defines a slide. Finally, everyone combines their work into one project. The project gets completed much faster because everyone worked together. This is how a distributed operating system works. Instead of one computer doing all the work, multiple computers share the workload. One of the best examples of a distributed operating system is cloud computing. When we use services like Google Drive Cloud or cloud storage, data is not stored in a single computer. It is distributed across multiple servers located in different places. The major advantage of this is it improves the speed, reliability, and availability of the system. Some characteristics of distributed operating system is it include resource sharing, communication between computer, and transparency to the user. However, managing such system is more complex and network failure or security issue can affect the overall system. Now let's move to our next topic, which is network operating system. As the name suggests, this operating system is especially designed to manage computer connected through a network. Its main purpose is to allow users to share file, printer, application, and other network resources while ensuring secure communication between devices. Let's take a simple example. Suppose your college has one printer connected to the network. Instead of connecting every computer to a separate printer, all computers uses the same printer through the network. Similarly, teachers can save notes on a central server and every student can access those notes from different computers. This becomes possible because of network operating system. Its main characteristic is that it manages network resources efficiently and supports file and printer sharing. Its biggest advantage is that it makes sharing data and devices easy and improve data security. However, its main limitation is that if the main server fails, many users may lose access to shared resources until the problem is fixed. It is widely used in school and college network, office network, banking network, and company servers. Now, our next topic is multiprocessing operating system. This operating system uses two or more processors, also called CPUs, to perform multiple tasks at the same time. Instead of depending on a single processor, the workload is divided among multiple processors. Let us understand with a simple example. Imagine you have to clean your entire house. If one person does everything alone, it will take a lot of time. But if four family members clean different rooms together, the work finishes much faster. The same idea is used in multiple operating systems. Multiple processors share the work and complete tasks more quickly. This improves speed, efficiency, and overall performance. Its key characteristic is that it uses multiple processors, executes several tasks simultaneously, and supports parallel processing. Its biggest advantage is that faster execution of large and complex files is done, and it handles large and complex tasks efficiently. However, this type of system requires expensive hardware and it is more difficult and complex to design. It is mainly used in scientific computing, weather forecasting, AI, and video editing and animation. Now let's move to our next topic, which is multitasking operating system. This is probably the operating system that all of us use every day. A multitasking operating system allows a computer to run multiple applications at the same time. For example, right now you might be listening to music, downloading a file, chatting with your friends, and browsing the internet all on the same computer. How is that possible? The answer is this operating system randomly switches the CPU between different tasks. Because the switching happens extremely fast, it appeared that all applications are running simultaneously. Let's take another example. Imagine a chef preparing different dishes in a restaurant. Chef doesn't finish one dish completely before starting another. Instead, while one dish is cooking, the chef starts preparing another. By managing time efficiently, all the dishes are completed. Multitask operating systems work in a similar way. Its main advantage is better productivity, it is efficient, and have a smooth user experience. However, too many applications open at once, the system may become slow because memory and processor resources are limited. Its examples are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and even smartphones that allow us to switch between multiple apps. Now, let us discuss the comparison between these operating systems. Now that we have discussed all major type of operating system, let us compare them to understand differences more carefully. First, we have batch operating system. Its main purpose is it processes similar jobs together and is used for billing, bank statement, and payroll. Now we talk about time sharing operating system. It shares CPU time among multiple users and it is used in computer lab and office servers. Real-time operating system provide immediate response and used in medical system and air traffic control because of its fast execution and fast response time. Distributed operating system connect computer and make them work together in the one system. It is widely used in cloud computing, research organization, and distributed databases. Network operating system focuses on managing network resources and allow users to share files, printers, and other devices securely among multiple computers. Multiprocessing operating system uses more than one process to perform tasks faster. It is used in scientific research, AI, and high performance computing. And lastly, multitasking operating systems allow you to run multiple applications at the same time. This operating system we experience every day on our laptops and smartphones. Although all these operating systems have different purposes, their common goal is to improve performance, efficiency, and usability of computer systems. Now, we have seen how operating systems are used in our daily life. Whenever we visit a bank and receive a monthly statement, batch operating systems help us to process large number of transactions. In hospital, doctors depend on real-time operating system, and in universities, the students depend on time-sharing operating system. Many companies use network operating system, and cloud servers use distributed operating system. Powerful applications like AI, weather forecast, scientific simulation often depend on multiple multiprocessing operating systems. And finally, every time we use a laptop or smartphone, we depend on multitasking operating system. These are the examples that show that operating systems are just theoretical concepts. They are essential part of our daily life. So, let's summarize what we have learned today. Operating systems play a vital role in the function of every computer system. Each type of operating system is designed to meet a specific requirement and solve different computing challenges. Key takeaways of operating system is batch OS is used in repetitive and large-scale processing. Time sharing allows multiple users to work simultaneously. Real-time OS provide immediate and reliable response. Distributed and network operating system improve resource sharing and communication. And last but not least, multiprocessing and multitasking operating system enhance system performance and user productivity. Choosing the right operating system depends on the type of work, performance, requirement, and environment in which it is used. With this, we have come to the end of my video. Thank you all for your valuable time and attention. I hope this video helped you understand the different type of operating system in simple and practical way. If you found this explanation useful, feel free to use the document which is given below in the description. Thank you once again and have a wonderful